All those slick animations, complex layouts, AI integrations, and extra scripts might look cool on your website, but there's a hidden cost. They're quietly killing your performance. And when your WordPress site slows down, it doesn't just hurt user experience, it directly affects your SEO, engagement, and conversions. That's where WP Rocket comes in. If your WordPress site feels slow, WP Rocket might be the fastest way to fix it. And in this video, I'll show you how to speed up your WordPress site using WP Rocket. Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This video is sponsored by WP Rocket, who are supporting today's content. Nobody likes to wait. Speed matters so much for your website. That's why a performance plugin like WP Rocket can make such a big difference. WP Rocket is a performance plugin that helps improve your site's performance in a few clicks. It enables 80% of web performance good practices automatically. Trusted by millions of websites worldwide, recommended by experts, agencies, and top hosting providers. It's also 100% compatible with most of the hosting, page builders, plugins, WooCommerce, and other WordPress tools, which is one reason it's actually one of the most used WordPress plugins in the top 1 million sites by traffic, according to Built with Trends. But why is it different from other performance plugins? WP Rocket integrates the most powerful performance features to improve your page speed insight scores, core web vitals, and loading time. You'll find features such as lazy loading of images, deferred loading of JavaScript, removing unused CSS, and minification of CSS and JavaScript files. Plus, WP Rocket includes the Preload and sitemap preload features, so users get the fast, cached version of the page as soon as they land on a site. So you don't need a performance expert. Even if you're a beginner, you can optimize your site's speed in just a few clicks. If you ever get stuck, their reliable customer support can help you solve issues and get the most out of the plugin. Before we install anything, let's quickly see how this site performs right now. I'm going to run a speed test using Page Speed Insights and GTmetrix, so we have a baseline to compare against. As you can see, the mobile score, the desktop score, and the load time isn't great. We'll come back and rerun this test after we configure WP Rocket to see how much of a difference it makes. Now let's jump into your WordPress and set this up. You can use the link in the description to get your WP Rocket license account so you can follow along step by step. After you purchase, download the plugin zip file from your account. Once you have that, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and then click Add Plugins. Click Upload Plugin. Choose the WP Rocket zip file. Click Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate. As soon as you activate it, WP Rocket starts working in the background. Now let's walk through the most important WP Rocket settings so you can get the best results. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and select WP Rocket. First, we have the dashboard. It points out that just by installing and activating WP Rocket, you're already speeding up your site. So, right out of the box, you're getting a performance boost. Here you can view your license information. You can also change your Rocket Analytics status so you can choose whether to allow WP Rocket to collect anonymous usage data or turn those permissions on and off at any time. If you scroll down, you'll also find helpful documentation and video tutorials. These are great resources if you ever need extra assistance with the plugin. You can also submit a help ticket to the WP Rocket technical support team by clicking the Ask Support button. Now, before I introduce you to the new feature add-on called Rocket Insights, I'll first walk you through the best WP Rocket settings to optimize your site. As we go through these settings, I highly recommend enabling each feature one by one. Every time you turn something on, click Save Changes, then open your site in a private or incognito window to make sure there are no visual issues. If anything breaks at any point, simply uncheck the last option you enabled, click Save Changes again, and your site should go back to normal. Let's start with File Optimization. Here you'll see two sections, CSS files and JavaScript files. Start by minifying your CSS and your JavaScript files to remove white space and comments to help reduce the file size so your pages load faster. First, check the box to minify CSS files. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Then, hover your mouse over your website name at the top left, right-click on Visit Site, open the link in an incognito window, and check your website. Then, click Minify JavaScript files, save changes, then go back to your website and check it again. Below that, you'll see Optimize CSS Delivery, where WP Rocket changes how your CSS is delivered so pages can render more quickly. If you enable this, you'll see an option Remove Unused CSS. This option is recommended for optimal performance, where it removes CSS rules that aren't actually needed for that page. Themes, plugins, and builders often include extra CSS for features you may not even be using. All that unused CSS can slow down loading and hurt key metrics like largest contentful paint and first contentful paint. Remove Unused CSS strips out what isn't needed on each page, dramatically shrinking your styles and improving speed. It's also recommended by PageSpeed Insights. You can also use the CSS Safe List box to preserve any CSS files, IDs, or classes when they're being wrongfully removed. Remember to save changes, wait for the pages to be processed, then view your website in a private or incognito window to make sure the update made no visible changes to your site. Now, let's have a look at the rest of the JavaScript options. By selecting the Load JavaScript Deferred option, WP Rocket will instruct the browser to load the scripts after the page is rendered, making the page feel faster to load. The Delay JavaScript Execution feature is the most powerful JavaScript optimization in WP Rocket. Enable it to execute scripts only after user interaction, prioritizing the rendering of the site. When you enable this option, you'll also see options to exclude certain scripts, like analytics, ads, or specific plugins, if you need them to load immediately for user experience or tracking. Overall, these JavaScript optimizations should improve the JavaScript-related audits in PageSpeed Insights. Now, it's time to move to the Media tab. In the Media tab, we can enable Lazy Loading. Lazy loading prevents the browser from loading images and other assets that are not initially visible on the screen. The images and assets at the bottom of your page will only be loaded when the user scrolls down to them, saving your visitors a lot of time and resources. You can apply lazy loading to images, background images, and iframes. Just remember to enable them one by one, checking your site after each change. At this point, with the core file and media optimizations enabled, your site should already feel noticeably faster. Go ahead and run a speed test to see the improvements for yourself. Now let's prove it. I'm going to run the same speed test again using PageSpeed Insights and GTmetrix. Before we installed WP Rocket, this site was getting a pretty average score on both mobile and desktop, and the load time wasn't great. After enabling WP Rocket and turning on features like caching, file optimization, lazy loading, and remove unused CSS, you can see the scores have jumped, and the site loads much faster. Your exact results will depend on your hosting, theme, and plugins. But in most cases, you should see a clear improvement like this as soon as WP Rocket is configured. Beyond these core settings to optimize your site, another key feature you'll want to consider is Preload. Preloading the cache makes sure your visitors get the fast, cached version of your pages right away, on both desktop and mobile. Instead of waiting for someone to visit a page before it's cached, WP Rocket proactively builds those cache files for you. When you activate preloading, it looks at the URLs found in your sitemaps from popular SEO plugins, it follows the links from your homepage, and it also picks up URLs that aren't in the sitemap but do receive visits. Whenever the cache is cleared, WP Rocket will automatically regenerate the cache for those pages in the background. It does this in small batches, so it doesn't overload your server, and it skips any URLs that already have a valid cache file. Because of that, I strongly recommend keeping the preload option checked. Next, we have preload links. This feature makes your site feel even faster on navigation. When a user hovers over a link, WP Rocket quietly starts prefetching that page in the background. So, by the time they actually click, a lot of the work is already done, and the next page loads noticeably faster. I also recommend turning preload links on for a smoother browsing experience across your site. Again, go ahead and click the Save Changes button. Open your site again in an incognito window and check your site. Most of the time, you can leave advanced rules as is, because WP Rocket automatically handles most exclusions. If you're running something more complex, like an online store, and notice caching issues on specific pages, you can exclude those URLs here. And if you're unsure, just click the Need Help link for detailed guidance. Moving down, you'll find the Database tab. Here's where you can clean up your WordPress database by removing unnecessary data and improving performance. These settings include options to clean up post, comments, transients, database, and you can also schedule automatic cleanups at regular intervals, like daily, weekly, or monthly. But make sure to make a backup copy of your website before checking any boxes. Once a database optimization has been performed, there's no way to undo it. Now let's move on to the CDN option. A CDN, or Content Delivery Network, helps your site load faster for visitors all around the world. So, even if your audience is spread out across different countries, a CDN bridges that gap by bringing your content closer to them so your site feels faster, smoother, and more responsive. And if you don't have a CDN yet, I highly recommend Rocket CDN. It's built specifically to work with WP Rocket. Rocket CDN uses a powerful global network with over 120 locations worldwide, spread across multiple continents. This means, no matter where your visitors are coming from, your content is served from a nearby server, which means less wait time and faster page loads. If you already have a CDN, you can add it here. Just check the box to enable Content Delivery Network and specify the CDN CNAME records in the field provided. And if you're using Cloudflare or Sucuri, you don't need to enable it here. You can manage those directly from the Add-ons section. The Heartbeat section is aimed to improve the dashboard functionality. It facilitates several useful features, like auto-saving the editor and user session management. You can enable the Control Heartbeat feature to save some of your server's resources. It's better to leave the Reduce or Disable Heartbeat activity settings unless you'd like to specifically disable the Heartbeat API. So, I'm leaving everything as is, but if you make changes, don't forget to click Save Changes. Now let's open the Add-ons tab. Add-ons extend WP Rocket's available options without requiring complex configurations. All you do here is switch each option on or off. For user cache, when this is activated, WP Rocket creates a dedicated set of cache files for each logged-in WordPress user. Logged-in user cache is useful when you have a membership site or when users must log in to see content. If you turn on this Varnish add-on, it will purge the varnish cache each time WP Rocket clears its cache. This ensures your content is always up to date. The next add-on is WebP compatibility. This refers to the plugin's ability to serve images in the WebP format, which is a modern image format developed by Google. WebP provides better compression compared to traditional formats like JPEG or PNG, resulting in smaller file sizes without sacrificing image quality. This can significantly speed up your website's loading times. If you don't already have WebP images on your site, consider using Imagify or another supported plugin. If you are not using WebP, do not enable this option. Now, we have the Cloudflare and Sucuri add-ons. If you're using either one of these services, I recommend turning them on here. Okay, that's going to do it for the add-on section. Next, let's move on to the Image Optimization tab. This section is about Imagify, a free image optimization plugin developed by the creators of WP Rocket. Imagify helps improve your website's performance by compressing and optimizing images without sacrificing quality. To install this plugin, simply click the Install Imagify button, and you'll see a visual step-by-step guide at the top of the screen that walks you through the setup process. Click the button in Step 1 to create your Imagify account. They'll send you an email with your API key. Enter that API key in the plugin settings. Once connected, you'll be able to compress your images and apply various optimizations. This will help improve your site's performance. After you've set up Imagify, don't forget to go back to the Add-ons tab and enable the WebP compatibility feature. The Tools tab lets you export and import settings, roll back to a previous WP Rocket version if something goes wrong, and manually update compatibility lists. This is especially handy if you manage multiple sites or need a quick safety net when updating. Now that we've gone through the core WP Rocket settings, let's talk about the newest feature, called Rocket Insights. Rocket Insights is a performance monitoring add-on powered by GTmetrix that lives right inside WP Rocket and has been available since October 2025. Instead of jumping back and forth between different tools and browser tabs, you can optimize and monitor your site's performance from one place. It's a freemium add-on, which means you can get started for free and upgrade later if you need more advanced monitoring. With Rocket Insights, you'll be able to see things like overall performance scores, page load times and key metrics, and historical trends so you can track improvements over time. The nice thing is that Rocket Insights works hand in hand with the features we just configured. So, after you turn on things like caching, preload, lazy load, and remove unused CSS, you can use Rocket Insights to measure the impact without leaving your WordPress dashboard. In other words, WP Rocket helps you speed up your site, and Rocket Insights helps you prove it and keep an eye on your performance over time. But you might be wondering, can't I just use a free caching plugin to do the same thing? Free plugins can definitely help, but most of them focus on just one or two areas, like basic page caching or simple minification, and often require extra add-ons or manual tweaks to match what WP Rocket is doing out of the box. With WP Rocket, you're getting a complete, integrated solution that's been tuned to work well together. So, instead of stitching together multiple free plugins, hoping they don't conflict, and spending time troubleshooting, WP Rocket handles it all in one place with a much simpler setup and dedicated support behind it. If you value your time, your sanity, and consistent results across your sites, that's where WP Rocket really pulls ahead of most free alternatives. If you want to see this kind of speed boost on your own site, I definitely recommend installing WP Rocket and trying it for yourself. With its instant setup, you can turn it on, follow the settings I've shown you in this video, and start seeing improvements in just a few minutes. No coding required. WP Rocket has a proven impact on SEO, user experience, and conversions. And you're protected by a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it out on your site completely risk-free. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can get a WP Rocket license account. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.